bunch last night in New York. It hasn't snowed a lot in like a few years. There's been like little flurries. Nothing like a major snowstorm, and it finally happened. So I gotta go see how it looks outside. Oh my God, the apartment's so dark. All the snow's covering the skylight. That's where I get most of my light, honestly, in here. All right, let's check this out. Oh wow, look at that. Got a little snow here. Oh, it's kind of dry, it's not really... you can kind of make a snowball. Ooh, that's cold. My car's right over there where that guy is shoveling. It looks pretty covered. I've been waiting for this for like 5 years. It hasn't snowed like more than like a few inches, maybe like 2 or 3 inches in like years. And we used to get snowstorms all the time. And I've always wanted to do this when I lived in New York, like go to like Central Park and go check it out and maybe like sled down the hill or something. If you remember that Casey Neistat video from like 10 years ago where he takes a Jeep, takes skis on the back and kind of like goes through the city. Probably won't be able to do that today, but someone might have it, I don't know. But I guess the plan today is just, I don't know, go around, maybe Washington Square Park, Central Park. I know they do a lot of sledding at Central Park, so I definitely want to do that. Don't have a sled. I looked everywhere yesterday, couldn't find anything. We're gonna have to figure that out. Maybe find like a garbage can lid or something. But yeah, gonna go meet up with the boys, maybe get some food. If anything's open, I don't even know. I should probably eat some like oatmeal or something. Oh wait, we got a guy on a bike here. Yeah, gonna go venture out. All right, let's do it. Oh my God, look at my car. The car is covered. That's a problem for another time. I'll deal with that later. The snow keeps getting in my eyes. Need snow goggles. This guy with the Bronco. What's good? This guy gets Apollo bagels at the worst time. You gonna do some drifts? Yeah.
I feel like you could do better.
Go for it.
Oh no, not again.
Hey yo, it don't take rocket science, see who flies. 15 gauge up close, left flying. How you look alive, put your insides dying. Spot in the sun, I want your name vibes. Cocaine whipping, yo, my dimes went diamond. G, 11 o'clock in the line. My man on suicide watch, cause you just came from court with an Elroy, you just realized it. I'm not
Oh my God. Dude, my ear's covered. Is my ear bad? Oh, I just felt a massive slap in the ear. Oh my God.
ever left the N5 running, hopped out with your shredder. Like, all you need to stop shelling dope, I said never, didn't even hit the BT awards, I was stretching.
I'm not talking about
That was awesome.
following people. I'm not talking about following your friend.
Damn. You can't park there. Park. Woo. This guy's stuck. I don't know. Yo, check the front. Damn. Yo, it's actually like really icy. Oh.
Yeah.
It's straight just hail now.
Oh, what?
Yo!
Oh, he's trying to run.
Perfect texture for running.
I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out?
It's the perfect texture for running.
Just enjoying it.
Squad's off to find the sledding. I see it over there. Very hype. Never been sledding before. We need a sled though. Looks like we're hiking like Mount Everest or something. If you just film it from like right here, without the buildings, use AI, get rid of that.
I think I'm in the vital right now.
Yo, this guy's going the most unnecessary route.
Rock climber.
This guy joins Vital Gym and all of a sudden now he's a rock climber. Found the sledding. Oh, this is dope.
Too long. It's still growing. Oh my God.
Got the blow ups.
Shopping bag.
Here we go.
You could just take these. I don't know if it works. Send it!
Woo!
Looks like it doesn't really work. He's got an actual sled. Cardboard don't really work.
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
It's time, dude. Your first sledding. You gotta send it.
On the cardboard box.
We got a board, man. You gotta do it.
Where are we dropping?
First one.
Where are we dropping?
Yo, he's going mad fast.
That was so fun. That was
Dude, you're going mad fast.
Dude, that was so fun. That was like a fucking roller coaster.
Dude, this guy's been missing out his whole life on the sledding experience.
I think it's better with this.
Oh yeah, that thing zooms.
Dude, yeah.
Actually,
All right, your turn, bro.
wax on the bottom.
Yeah.
Send it.
You got the year.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Lock it in.
Oh, dude, this is sketch.
There he goes.
It's sketch with the boots because
Yeah,
they're like.
Yeah.
So what boots do you have?
it's like steel toe, like work boots.
Those might work, honestly.
Yeah. Fuck it.
Try.
Fuck it.
Alright, fuck it.
Yeah, hit it. I love seeing the different types of things people think they could use as like a sled. Like this person has like a plate, and then the next person has like a basket. That worked actually really good. Let's see how the basket goes. This is what I was looking for, something like this.
Please go, please go.
Rate the first time experience, man. 10 out of 10. Hell yeah. But he's freezing. He's so bummed up, I can't even hear you. You sound and look like Kenny from South Park. That's so funny.
You guys don't, I won't.
It's how you end a snow day. Okay, it's the next day. I really gotta go check on my car. Kinda just left it covered all day. I got the snow pants on, winter camo. Not sure why, but I don't know. It's the only time I get to wear it, really. Was able to shovel most of it off, looking pretty good. We made it out of the snow pretty good. No issues with the car, which is always nice. So I'm gonna send it back home to Jersey to visit the fam and visit the pups.